So we are now in the second set, and Can was leading by 20-9. It's Katarina Holzer to serve. It's difficult for Kani reception. It's chance for Can, but the pipe of Katarina Holzer is on the net. For touch, it's a point for Le Canet. So a huge domination from Can in this set again. Very good play from Can. Now it's Le Canet to serve. That's pretty good serve. It's difficult to attack his save. It's Joyce Bolosu who find the winning attack. 20-11 for Can. It's now the number 2 of Le Canet for the second serve. That's a pretty good serve, but good reception. The reception is a little bit too far. The pass of Brendan exit is not good, and the attack is all about. It's 21-13 for Can. Now it's Le Canet again for a serve, and it's on the net. A pretty bad serve because now it's a 3 pound for Can, and it's 21-12. Sorry, it's 21-12. Good serve, and the attack of Le Canet is all about. It's 22-12, and it's now another serve for Can. It's Clara Ferressin who has made this serve. The attack, and Clara Ferressin cannot save it. It's 22-14, I think, to 13, I think. Still a huge lead for Can. It's just like Joyce Bolosu to serve. Maybe the best Le Canet player. That's for sure, in fact, the best Le Canet player. Good reception from Katarina Holzer. It's Julia Zorowska with stroke by the block. The attack of Le Canet who scored 22-14. Good reaction from Le Canet. Now it's Joyce Bolosu for another serve. Difficult but good reception. Julia Zorowska who didn't score. The block is good because it's over the net. So it's not double touch, but it's ball for Le Canet, and Le Canet scored 22-15. Now this is not a double touch because how to say that? Sorry, because the blocker player Jennifer was over. She touched the ball over the net. Because she can touch the ball. I try to explain the rules. She can touch the ball over the net once and play the ball. That's totally fine. There is no double touch. But if you touch the ball under the net and retouch, you can. It's a double touch. But now, if you do a block or a counter, you can play the ball after that. I didn't know if it was clear, but you can. The referee made the right call. The right call because there is no call to make. Another good serve from Joyce Bolosu. It's 22-16. Now Can need to stop the series. To go for the side out because Joyce Bolosu made good serve. not so dangerous, but some difficulties for Can reception. Again, chance between Exetich, but the pass to Julia Zaborska wasn't good, and the attack of Le Canet is winning. Good remontada from Le Canet, 22-17. Now it's, I think, now it's a joystick breakthrough again, because and bad play from Can, chance for Le Canet, and good over the block shot, cheap shot to score the point. Maybe another timeout for Can. 22-18, still a pretty large lead, but good series from Jacek Bolessu. No timeout, Jacek Bolessu with a serve. Now it's good reception from Ludwin Casali. Julia Zaborska, we didn't score, but no chance. I think it's difficult for Jacek Bolessu because the pass is too isn't enough high to attack this ball, and the attack goes on the net. It's ball in for Can, and 23-18. Now Julia Zaborska with the serve. Chance for Can because the serve was good and they didn't miss from there. 24-18. Julia Zaborska again, good serve. She's so good. Maybe she's only 17. Huh? I think I said that in the previous video. She's too strong, honestly. And now it's an ace. Fantastic. It's 25-18. The second set is for Can. Now we go for the third set. So it's 20-19 for Can, and it's Clara Ferresin to serve. Good reception, and the attack of Herrera Blanco, the Cuban player who scored the 20th point for Le Canet. It's 20 all. It's Le Canet to serve. Good reception. It's attack from Katarina Ozer, I think, and it's 21-20 for Can. Can they conclude this match? It's Katarina Ozer, good serve. And one-on-one duels wins by Ludwin Casali as a net. Important point. Maybe Jacek Bolessu was completely didn't understand that Ludwin Casali will not cover the space between the antenna, and she covers the diagonal, and Jacek Bolessu was blocked. So good block. It's 22-20 for Can. It's a good advantage in this very close set. The coaches there are two timeouts left. Now is the first timeout for Le Canet. It's Katarina Ozer to serve. We expect from her she just put the ball into the court and not made a foul. After a timeout, that's good. But the reception is good, and Jacek Bolessu scored even if the pass wasn't good. Maybe without block, if the Can blockers get back a little bit to control the attack, I think they can defend, but they go for the block, and there is a space between the block and the block space for attack. I know it's a nice from Jacek Bolosu. I repeat, but the best player of Le Canet. It's 22 all and it's timeout called by Khan. So in fact, Jacek Bolosu is the only player who can save Le Canet today. In fact, because she played good. She's very good, and she's only 16. Maybe 17, I don't know when is her birthday. She's from 2002. Can you imagine, in 2002 she didn't know France winning the before that at World League in 2002. She wasn't born. So good reception from Khan. If Julia Zurovska would not be able to attack. Good defense from Lilia Ball. Julia Zurovska no can attack. And it's point for Julia Zurovska and for Khan. It's 23-22. A good advantage in this stage of the set. Now it's Jennifer Rebuff with in for higher the block, but it's a mat called by Le Canet. C'est pas très. It's not. How can I say that? Can they finish this game? The Khan player were honestly in this set. Le Canet deserve to be ahead, but they are behind. It's Clara Ferressin to serve. Maybe his decision to put in Fanny Dumont were, but I don't think it's possible. Maybe it's not possible, but I think it would be a good option because là it's an easy reception and an easy attack for Le Canet. Honestly, the Clara Ferressin serve didn't put in difficulties the Le Canet reception. That's why I think they have no. There is a try to put in Niam Davis, so Fanny Dumont to serve was a good idea, but we didn't know. It's a good serve. Ludivine Casali was a bit far to attack. Chance for Le Canet. Jacek Bolosu who scored 24-23 for Le Canet. Second time out called for sure by Khan. No, honesty is a chance for Le Canet. And I think I didn't understand why Vedran Alexitic wasn't she's with her hair, but it's her who has to decide the combination. I don't understand why she didn't listen to the coach. Honestly, it's an important point for sure. And she's a passer. It's her who decides the combination. In fact, it's a bit weird to me to see her didn't listen to the coach. Her pass was good, but Julia Zurovska is defended. Chance for Le Canet, they didn't score. Ludivine Casali, who shot slowly in the block to made another chance, but Julia Zurovska is blocked. 23-25 for Le Canet.